6:44 this morning. Still keeping an eye on the Pacific that's quite active right now. There's a little disturbance that's looking a little bit better today. It doesn't have a name yet, but there's a decent chance that it could very well become another named storm. Then we have two hurricanes, Hurricane Flossie, Hurricane Eric. We'll talk about Eric first. It's the closest to Hawaii right now, and it's a Category 3, a major hurricane, 125-mile-per-hour winds. But we think it's peaked in intensity. Ahead of it is cooler waters, and hurricanes do not like those cooler waters. So the good news is it is going to be a weakening system, and it does not look like it's going to make direct landfall in Hawaii, but it's going to bring impacts, especially if it takes more of a northern trend. If it stays on the northern edge of this cone, it'll definitely be a rainmaker for Hawaii. If it stays farther south, it won't be as much rain, but that'll be their first chance of seeing a tropical system starting Thursday night and then continuing on with impacts into the weekend. But right behind it is Flossie, which is strengthening as well. It's a Category 1 hurricane, and the question is, where is Flossie going to go? And unfortunately, we can't say that Hawaii is going to miss a direct impact from this one. Now, through Sunday afternoon, the model's in pretty good agreement, but then there are questions. Does it turn to the north just in time? Does it move exactly over the islands? That would be a worst case scenario. Or does it stay to the south again? That is what needs to be determined. Now, there's still a lot of time. This isn't until early next week, but it's something we're going to have to keep an eye on because there could be some serious flooding and perhaps some pretty strong winds as well, or perhaps, once again, not too bad. That'll be something we'll continue to monitor through the weekend into next week. Today is going to be a little bit of a rain chance in the valley, but only a 10% chance. Still going to be pretty hot. Look at that little bit of green showing up. But best chance early this afternoon, maybe late this morning right along the coast. But most of us are going to have that opportunity to see rain 1, 2, 3 o'clock. By the time we get into the very late afternoon, early evening, it's back to mostly sunny skies. It looks like a dry night, but tomorrow the sea breeze will return again. I'm not going to rule out a couple showers, mainly near the coast in the late morning hours. For most of us, the best opportunity is going to be early and mid-afternoon. And notice it'll start in the lower valley. It's going to try and push into the upper valley, but will be falling apart. And notice there's still not much green. Both today and tomorrow, the rain chance looks about the same, only a 10% chance overall of seeing showers. But I do think a few will get lucky and get a little bit of rain. By tomorrow evening, looking dry again. Today, 99. I think it's going to feel a little bit better than yesterday. The heat index yesterday, 104. Today, 102. So feeling a couple degrees cooler. It's not going to be as breezy, though. Winds just 10 to 15 miles per hour. No big-time wind gusts. A few showers, but most of the day is going to be partly cloudy. And most of tonight will probably be partly cloudy, but starting mostly clear and then gradually becoming mostly cloudy. Lows around 77. Still a touch above normal for this time of year. Though it looks like we're getting cooler in the days ahead, I think it's going to feel the same because humidity is going to be going back up. And as humidity goes back up, a little bit better chance of rain. I think the best chance Friday, a 20% chance of showers and storms. Still a 10% chance for Saturday and Sunday. Completely dry Monday and Tuesday. You know what that means. Those temperatures going back up. Triple digits coming back. We'll be right back after this break.